Hi, welcome to Yoga with Ariel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a prone twist. So at the studio where I teach at, most of the teachers teach a supine twist where you do it on your back, which is really great. It's a restorative exercise. You get that spinal twist. When you do it on your stomach, it's also restorative, but you also get the added benefit of opening through your chest, and I just think it feels really good. Okay, so to get into a supine twist, come down onto your belly. So on the right side, you'll bend your left elbow, place it about parallel to your shoulder, tee out your right arm, and you'll roll over onto your right side. From there, you can either place your left foot, the sole of your left foot, behind your right leg. It might also feel good for you to just extend your leg long, so play with both of those variations. Then you can stay here. A lot of people like to add in a half bind, bringing the left forearm behind the low back. So the half bind helps to get in an added shoulder opener here. If that doesn't feel good for you, just leave your elbow bent where you started. And hold for about 3 to 5 breaths. When you're done, make your way back to center. Tee out your left arm, bend your right elbow, and roll onto your left side. And place the sole of your right foot behind your left leg, or again, if it feels better, just straighten your leg. Option is always to add in that half bind with your right forearm across your low back. If you didn't do it on the other side, put your hand back. You want to even yourself out. And hold here for an equal amount of time as you did on the other side. When you're done, roll back to your belly. And bend your left elbow and just press yourself back up to your knees. So if you've never tried a prone twist as a variation of a spinal twist before, I highly encourage you to try it out. Just notice how it feels similar and different to supine twist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.